You can start by drawing like a big general circle for your eye socket. So you can kind of feel where your eye socket is, eyebrow, down to where your dark circles go. Draw a line through here, okay? Then when you're looking in the mirror, check and see where you have the highest point of your eye on your upper eyelid. Maybe it's... Okay, for mine, I would say is like right here. Some people it's at the very center, which is what I would say for yours, and some people it's over on this part. Can you kind of see what I mean by the highest point? Okay, so you draw that general football shape, but you want to think about, is it highest here? Is it highest here? Is it highest here? Okay, then draw the bottom football shape. Draw the little pink part. Then you can start drawing the iris. On most people, okay, if this is a general football shape, you don't see that entire circle of the eye unless you're really, surprised. So for me, it covers at the top and bottom. For some people, it just covers at the top. So pay attention to what yours does. I'm going to make that a little bit wider. Okay, then you've got to draw in the actual upper eyelid and pay attention to, again, where that's got the high points. Then this is what everybody's been forgetting that I've been talking about when they've been coming over here. You've got to draw this nice little parallel line here to keep that area nice and light for the bottom eyelid. Okay. Then you can start drawing in your highlights. These are just general little spots for highlights, but you can pay attention to where you actually see the reflection of your eye. Then you can start shading. So I go ahead and usually shade the pupil first. Okay, because that's going to be the darkest point. Then for your eyes, you have nice light blue eyes. So you're going to go in and this outside ring here, you want it to be nice and dark. Dark up here. Dark down here. And then you can kind of start drawing in like actual little flecks to kind of shade in your eye. And I'm going to do this area kind of fast because you get the idea. Mm-hmm. But you would go slower and take your time. Da-da-da-da. And you want those highlights to show up. Okay. Then you can start shading your eyelid. And this area up here, you want it to be light. So you kind of press harder in the crease.
Have you seen Too Fast, Too Furious?
I've seen them all.
This is so funny.
How do you watch all of them without watching the first?
I have watched this one.
Okay. The seventh one is crazy.
The what?
The seventh one.
I haven't seen that one. Isn't it the one that just came out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I haven't seen that one. Without Paul Walker in it.
No, that one has Paul Walker, but it's so sad at the end. They like do this little thing for him.
Okay. And then down here, this is where you want to shade. But you want to keep this nice and light. So that way you can actually see that part.
Is that better?
You're missing this part still, my dear. Your bottom eyelid. The ring for your bottom eyelid. You don't have it. Okay. Then switch back to your 2H pencil. Get the little pink part. Shade it in. I actually might want to shade that with my HB. But the white of your eye you want to shade with your 2H pencil. Okay. Then up here, get the angle of your eyebrow. And then you want to draw in actual individual little hairs the way that it's growing. Right, Sid? Okay, and then you would keep shading, you know, up around this, okay? Shade down around here. Then for your eyelashes, use your HB pencil, make sure it's really, really sharp. Press down, flick up, press down, flick up, press down, flick up. Okay, right here, we can actually see them coming over to the side. Then here, like what Mr. Sterling was saying, these are facing you, so they appear shorter. So if you have a ton coming up like this, it's gonna look like Snuffleupagus, okay? Okay, then down here, you want a few coming down like that. Okay?